Hi, I'm Lewis with Mini of Manhattan. It's bright, it's sunny. It's time for your Mini Virtual Second Date. So what is your Mini Second Date? Well, that's when you've gotten the butterflies out of your system. That's when you start asking the serious questions. That's when you find out when your Mini is right for you. Today we're going to cover how to pair your iPhone via Bluetooth to your Mini. For those of you with a signature trim Mini and non-touchscreen Mini connected interface, this is going to be the perfect tutorial for you. For those of you with touchscreen, follow along just by touching the same options on your screen. Today our subject is going to be this Mini Cooper hardtop in Solaris Orange, perfect for a beautiful day with a white top. First things first, when you get into your Mini, foot on the brake, press the start-stop toggle. To pair your phone via Bluetooth, rotate the control knob to highlight the various options and stop on communication. Press down to select communication. Select Manage Mobile Devices from the Communications menu. Select Connect New Device. Select Telephone or Bluetooth Audio. We're going to go with Telephone. And now you're going to look for the number displayed on your Mini in your phone's Bluetooth settings. Let's go to your phone. In your phone, locate Settings. In Settings, locate Bluetooth and select. Turn Bluetooth on. Look for the number displayed on your Mini screen on your phone and select it on your phone. Now select OK on the car first and then pair on your phone. Decide whether or not you want contacts and favorites to sync between phone and car. And now your device is connected. You'll notice that it is connected by a small telephone icon, means the Bluetooth telephone functions are operational, and a small music note, meaning that your Bluetooth audio streaming is also capable. To listen to music in your Mini via Bluetooth, from your home screen, make sure you select the Media and Radio option. Press down to select. And now, ensure that your Bluetooth input is highlighted and you have a check mark. On your phone, select your desired audio application and press play. Ensure that volume is all the way up on your phone. And now, adjust volume on your car. To get back to your home screen, simply press Menu above your Mini connected controller. Once your phone is connected via Bluetooth, you'll be able to use your steering wheel controls to answer and hang up phone calls. If someone is calling you, simply press the phone button here. If you want to hang up, press it again. You can also access your most recent phone calls hands-free. Simply press the phone icon and a menu of your most recent calls shows up on your gauge cluster. Select the person you want to call by scrolling up and down and then press OK to call that individual. So that's going to wrap up this quick Mini Virtual Second Date for you on this Solaris Orange Mini Cooper. If you have any questions at all about any of the other features within your Mini, please give us a call, send us an email. We'd love to help you out, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.